I recently gave the Osprey Kitsuma 1.5 heat rotation backpack to my wife as a gift, and I thought I'd give you a quick review of her experience. The backpack is made for riding bikes, but she mostly uses it for hiking. She was impressed with how lightweight and comfortable it is. She loves how it doesn't bounce around while she's walking or jogging. One of her favorite features is the integrated hydration bladder. It holds 1.5 liters of water, which is perfect for staying hydrated without having to stop. The bite valve is one of the Osprey hydration pack's highlights. It is super easy to use, and she really likes that it's conveniently accessible. The main compartment is where the bladder goes, but you can fit some additional gear inside, and it has a small pocket for phone, keys, and a small snack. Overall, the Osprey Kitsuma 1.5 has been a fantastic addition to her hiking trips. It is stylish, functional, and it makes her walks so much more enjoyable. If you're looking for a great gift for the outdoor lifestyle person, I highly recommend this backpack.